Hello and welcome to Red Fox Institute and our section Ask Your Holistic Vet. I'm Dr. Gonzalez. Today we're going to talk a little bit about doggy obedience training. When should you start? Well, the answer is as soon as you can. Okay? Many times when I go into my exam room, I have these dogs that are just jumping all over, they're jumping on the counters, the animal guardians are unable to restrain them, okay? Sometimes I'm even unable to examine them, okay? Because they have not spent the time and educate themselves as an animal guardian to train your dog. Training in dogs has to happen really early in life. You typically will get your puppy, he's 3 months of age, okay? Well, that's a way to start at that age. You start with sit, stay, I love to the sound of your voice, you ground your voice, you change your voice, and you use hand signals. Okay, so you need to start early in life at 3 months, 4 months of age, and continue until they're 6 or 7 months of age, kind of intensely until they're older. Okay, sit, stay are very important. Off, you don't want these dogs to be on you all the time, jumping on the elder visitors or the kids that are coming and visiting you, or people on the street. You need to curb their behavior when they're walking on a harness, on the street, so they don't go and bark at other dogs. 1 or 2 barks is normal. 1 or 2 barks inside the house is normal. But you should be able to say, stop, thank you for telling me there's somebody there. Because remember, that is your dog's job. They have a better sense of smell and of hearing, and so they can hear when a stranger or a noise or something is around. This is why they evolved living with us in our campfires. They will hear something and they will wake us up. So you need to thank them and say, thank you for letting me know there's something out there happening. Now stop. Okay? Sometimes giving a little reward helps, but some dogs, will like a reward every time. They'll bark and want a reward every time. Don't let that happen. Ideally, I tell my animal guardians to seek the help of a professional. He or she professional as dog training will come to your house, okay, and will spend the time looking at the environment. It's important that they come to your place so they see what environment surrounds your dog and you, okay. Most importantly, they're training you to train your dog, okay. Once again, early, 3 to 4 months of age is a continual. You probably, will stop the training, but you will continue the commands throughout their life. But you need to do that, okay? Otherwise, your dog is going to rule the house, is going to break things, it's going to be barking a lot, you're going to be evicted because the dog is barking, Don't let that happen. Start early on. One of the first things of obtaining your puppy is get a good trainer. You may want to call them, see their videos, see if the trainer's energy is amendable with yours. There's many training techniques, okay? As veterinarians, even though I spend 45 minutes or an hour with a new patient, when it comes to training, you need somebody who comes, every day or twice a week to help you, to train you in techniques. And they will adapt those techniques to you and to the dog. So there's different, mentalities on dogs and on you. So, it's the one exactly for you and your animal companion. Very well then. So now you know. Keep sending me questions, and until next time, with much love and gratitude, let's continue our journey.